Here at the Social Snippet, we have worked with hundreds of businesses and helping them grow their community online, whether that be through social media or through podcasting. And we know that the way our model works is so good for businesses. We know that as businesses are choosing different contractors, different services to work with, there is just so many factors to decide on. And we love providing a service for all of our clients and helping them really, really scale to the next level in a way that works in their business. So, we're going to tell you three reasons why our social media management model is perfect for their scaling a new business, an existing business, or growing an even bigger business.
When you're looking at outsourcing your social, there are so many options, right? Like you can hire a full time team member who's dedicated to your social, leading the strategy and working with you full time, which comes with, a big time investment, a financial investment, and all the rest that comes with having a full time employee. And there's the other end of the spectrum where you can use AI or you could hire a VA where you're really putting in a lot of the work, a lot of the strategy, a lot of the effort, and a lot of it falls on you as a business owner. What we love about our model is it's somewhere in the middle. So you don't have the responsibility of a full-time team member, and you also don't have to lead all the strategy and put all that time and effort into your social media. So in the in between, it's easy for you as an entrepreneur. You get to stay in your zone of genius. You don't have to worry about your social strategy, but yet you get a human on the other end of the Zoom call who's invested and leading the strategy and cares about your business and is cheering you on and is creating all the posts for you and doing all the heavy lifting as well as the strategy and the intentional direction of the marketing.
One of my favorite things that comes up with a lot of our clients when we ask them like what they like about working with us or love working with our team, because our clients don't really work with us anymore and they're really working with our amazing team that are even better than us, is that they find it relaxing, right? Because
Yeah.
they don't have to be constantly keeping up with stuff, but they're really excited about what's coming for their business. They get to actually spend their time doing things that move the needle in their business rather than obsessing over trends, obsessing over dances, obsessing over what next platform they should be on. Their social media manager is really ahead of the game, being able to be like, hey, this is what's working really good right now. This is what's working with other clients. We have case studies across like many, many different types of portfolios, and we're able to bring all those together to really be able to serve our client the best way we can. Maria kind of touched on this already, but we know when scaling a business from scaling our business that often when you're hiring employees, hiring contractors, you actually don't need everything from them right away. You want to test the waters, you want to see what's working, you want to see if you're a good fit. We've definitely had it before where we've wanted to work with people, we've worked really closely, and we're all doing little pieces of it, and then we grow together as their business grows. Those are our favorite clients, actually. The clients who come to us, they're just getting started, maybe, or maybe they've had a few years of success and then we get to help bring them to the next level and grow with them. That's the beauty of our model, is that really, like, when we're working together, we're your teammate, we're your collaborators, we're coming with you on the journey. So it might start with, hey, I just want to post 2 times a week, and then I actually want to do the supplementary posts. Well, we actually want to advise those supplementary posts and be there, like, really cheering you on. The other piece is that then as you grow and as your business grows, maybe it's time for a content sprint. Maybe it's time for you to be doing more video. Maybe you need some photography. Maybe you need some email marketing. We work together to be able to find really, really good solutions for you to be able to scale your business over time. We've had clients that have been with us since day one of our business who we've got to see really transform over the years. So it's really cool to be able to do that. And yeah, I love it. That's my favorite part, is actually seeing how amazing it is for people to be able to see and leverage community and social to grow their business.
So good. And that ties in really well to our last reason, which is our focus on community. And when you're entering the social media marketing world, it can be so overwhelming with, having to spend thousands of dollars on ads and trying to go viral and really pushing your content out there. And we take a bit of a different approach. And
Mhm.
from the beginning, we've been really focused on community and organic growth. And that looks a little different, right? So for people who are focused on virality and dumping a bunch of money into ads, that looks a very different way and the results of that are very different.
Mhm.
So when clients come to us and they're chasing virality, a lot of the time we're asking them why, because virality doesn't actually equal success in your business.
Mhm.
And that's why we take a community based approach, because what actually moves the needle in your business is having a loyal, engaged following, maybe not a huge following of millions of people, but a following that's actually going to move the needle in your business and buy things from you, right?
Mhm.
That is the thing we're focused on, getting people engaged, getting people watching your stuff, believing in you as the founder, and eventually buying your services and products. We create that community of people who are like your loyal fans who want to buy everything you're selling. And the other upside of that is it's a more cost effective approach because you don't have to spend all this time creating the highest quality video and, pouring all this time and energy into ads and doing the most to try and go viral. But it's
Mhm.
really about taking an organic approach, leaning into your unique, authentic story in your business, and really approaching it from a lens of authenticity and growing that community of fans that's going to follow you with everything you do and buy what you're selling.
Mm. We've seen it so many times where people have come to work with us and they have massive followings, but they can't sell a $15 product. And when that happens, we know that there's a community problem. And so when we really want to fix the engagement, what really matters in a business isn't just social media for vanity's sake or just being on there. You want to be selling what it is that you're doing. And that's why really when we work with our clients, our social media managers work with our clients, we take a really sales-based approach. We're really thinking about what's going to draw people in, what's going to get people on that email list, what's going to get people to buy long term. And so that's why we love working with small businesses is because we love to think of it that way.
If you're curious about starting your social media management journey, we would love to chat with you about if we might be the right fit to serve your business. So you can head to thesocialsnippet.com and fill out our intake form, where we'll then book a call with you to chat more. And if you feel like maybe you're not quite there yet, we would love to coach you inside the Social Business Club, our membership for entrepreneurs doing their own social. You can find more information at thesocialbusinessclub.ca, and you can use code WELCOME to get your first month for $1.
See you there.